Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu was a great mujahid. In fact, the bravery of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu was compared to none. Although we talk a lot about Khalid bin Walid radiallahu ta'ala anhu as a great warrior, but the bravery of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, nobody compared to that. He stood out on Ghazwa Badr, he stood out on Uhud, he stood out on Battle Aqaba, he stood out on Battle Ridwan. On all these occasions, Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu was a one-man army himself. In Khandaq, the war of Khandaq, Jang Khandaq, there was a soldier on the opposing army. His name was Amr ibn Abd, and he was a mighty brave soldier. I mean, his bravery was known among the Arabs. So much so that poetry was written about his bravery. He could not jump across the trench in Jang Khandaq, so he went into the trench. And then from there he started calling the Muslims out. He said, whoever is brave enough, come fight me. Let me see who has you. As we say it in Urdu, Mai ka lal hai to I, So Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu said to Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, let me. Then he called out again, is there anyone brave enough to take me on? Come on, let me see what you have in you. He said, and then he started reading out his own poetry that is written about his bravery, just boasting that how skillful and how great he is. And Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, Ya Rasulullah, let me go. Rasulullah said, Ali, I've told you, sit. He was a bit more harsh this time with him. The third time, he now started making fun of the Muslim Islam. He said Muslims are scared and this and that, and he started calling names to them. Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu said to Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, it's not worth living if we have to hear such things from them. Let me just go. Rasulullah said, okay, go. So Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu jumped in the trench with him. And now this guy was, you can imagine, huge, tall, massive build, the warrior of the Arabs. And Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, bacha, still not fully built, full not developed, short in height. So he looked at him and he felt that, this child must be either a completely fool or, extremely brave to have come in. He said, I know that you don't have much elders in Quraysh. I think you're still a child. Go back and send somebody old enough to fight with me. And then he started making fun that, don't you have anybody old that you've started sending child to fight with me? Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, I'm here to fight with you, fight with me. So he attacked him, and his attack hit the armor of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and his sword got stuck in that, and it broke. So that's how powerful his... Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu took that occasion. He counter-attacked, he hit him here, and split till here. The guy opened up, died there, and that shook. You can imagine, this is like, movie scene. Yeah, it's definitely a movie scene, but you can imagine that, the best of the best has come, and suddenly, he's knocked out. Pin drop silence, and everybody is like, wow, like, where do we go from here? So he had this honor of killing the bravest of the brave in Arabs as well.